in this position, if you're going to attempt the double leg, so your goal is to have a step na yung mga first leading leg next is here at the front. So I don't want you na pag mag-shoot mo is ang inyong unang skip toe kay prone to injury. So what you're gonna do is a basic Mexican wrestling tips is always heel pagka so couple. So once you hold this, and then from here, you cannot really just go straight, really. Hindi siya mag-take down. So the motion here is going in a circle, right? So once you hold, you're gonna try to use your head to create a momentum to have a circle. Kasi if you're going to take down, then ang imong motion is straight lang. No? So it's so hard. So unless if you're so explosive, no? Pero if you want to have a less than energy waste, and then proper imong takedown is just you can grab him and then go use your ears, no? So this is small details na use nimo. The ears, yan, always out there. Like, kurang masadong pataas. Okay? So, coach. And if napoy times na kahit di siya makumbak, for example, si Juan is how do we implement that? So, example So in this position, so a counter attack basically just ang ginagawa is always na
Sit out.
so itong hanap na drills na to, hindi nyo ma-use to. So example, okay. And yeah, there's a combination sa plan A, plan B. If ever na or if ever na gusto niyo mapaspas ang pagtumba, na dili na kayo na sobrang circles motion, pwede niyo i-use na legs niyo to, when going to shoot, this one. Then, this one. So that's it now.